Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use cheats within the Tekken 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Tekken 3 game on your PC, and once it is loaded up, directly from the main menu or while you are within the middle of your game, you can just scroll to the bottom section and you will see the cheats option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the various different cheats that are available for your game. You can simply click on the toggle button to enable this. After enabling your desired cheat modes, you can click on the OK button and the cheat will be applied within your game right away. And now you can start playing the game with your cheat code enabled. If you wish to turn this off at any time, you can go back to the cheats menu and then turn them off and click on OK to apply your changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use cheat codes within the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.